Guys, before I start the video, just maximize this video on YouTube because I'm recording this from mobile phone, and if the video is not maximized, then you might not be able to see the full screen of the YouTube Studio. Okay, so here I have opened this YouTube Studio app in Android. Okay, so as you can see that this is not the dark mode, this is the white mode. So if you want to turn on the dark mode, what you have to do is that you have to click on this button, this the one which shows your account sign. So let's click it here. Now here you can see this settings button. Okay, this settings button, so you need to click this settings button. Let's click it. So here now you can see dark theme. Okay, so all you have to do is that you have to check this button. Let's check it. Bravo. So now as you can see that the dark mode is open, so you can go back, and here you can see that the dark mode has been activated. For more videos, do subscribe to Bearable. Thanks for watching.